Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to activate my Cigna HSA card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To activate your Cigna HSA, what you need to do is first, once your card arrives in the mail, sign the back in the signature panel, entry card for activation. Then once that's done, what you need to do is call the card activation line at 1-866-295-9173 or 1-800-244-6224. Then once done, what you need to do is just simply type in mycigna.com on your search bar and then log in with your credentials. Then once logged in, and navigate to the HSA debit card activation section. Then your activation code is the last 4 digits of your primary cardholder's social security number. Then during activation, you'll be prompted to select a 4-digit PIN for ATM or PIN-based transactions. Make it something memorable and secure. Once activated and PIN selected, you can pay at doctor's office, pharmacies, retailers, withdraw cash at ATMs, and use it online or by phone as a debit card. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.